Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro. And the first one, when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use gestures on your earbuds. And right here, as you can see, we have a gesture. We have it at the left side on the left earbud and at the right side on the right earbud. And with a gesture, you can play and pause the song. You can play next or previous track. You can manage volume control. You can manage ambient sound, ANC or transparency, and it's a good one. And you can customize it in the application. Open Xiaomi earbuds, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. So you just go to the gestures here, and you can customize this. You can add, as you can see, I just added to call voice assistant because by default you cannot call it or record audio, but you can by default. If you don't know how to record audio using these earbuds at this channel, we have a video about it. Next one, as I said previously, that we have ambient sound control, and yes, these earbuds have ANC and transparency. So you can enable it by a gesture or in the application. But in the application you can manage it, so you need to put your earbuds to your ears, and right here, as you can see, we have something to customize, so you can change ANC level by just tap at the best one for you. Yeah, I need to disable it. Okay, so you can lower it or increase it, it's up to you. You can also for ANC enable adaptive sound, noise cancellation, adaptive, yeah. And then ANC level will change depend of your background. Also we can customize transparency. We have three modes. We have regular mode, we have enhanced voice and enhanced ambient sound. I recommend it to try all of these modes and select the best one for you if you prefer transparency mode, because I all the time use ANC. Next one. You can improve your listening experience by changing Equalizer presets, and also we can make it only in the application, so we need to install it. I really recommend it to install the application, and we need to go to audio effects. We have audio balance, and right here there is all presets what Xiaomi offer for us. We can also create a custom preset. It's up to you, or select something here. Next one, these headphones have spatial audio, and it's a good one. I recommend it to use it, and you will have immersive sound, but you may have connection instability. So if you have it, I recommend it to disable. And right here we have dimensional audio, so we can enable it, and if we enable it, right here we can change modes. We can select music or video mode. So if you're watching a movie, I recommend it to use video mode for immersive experience. And if you listen to music, you need to use music mode. But it's up to you. You can also select something else. Next, we can enable also head tracking, and we can personalize spatial audio just for you. If you don't know how, at this channel we have a video about it. Next one, these headphones have dual connection. We have it right here, the additional settings. Make sure that it's enabled, and then you can pair your second device to your earbuds at the same time. So it's a good one. If you don't know also how, this channel we have video about it. Next one, if you lose your headphones, you can find it using application. Right here we have find earphones, and you can play a sound for it. You can play for both of it, or for the left or right earbud, it's up to you. But your earbuds should be outside of the charging case, or at the charging case, but the lid should be opened, because if we just close it, we cannot use the application. Next one, as you can see, nothing. I tested microphone at these earbuds, and these earbuds have really good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally. without background sounds. Also these headphones mute background sounds, but it also distorted just a bit your voice. And also you can speak softly, but your voice will be a bit quiet. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!